We wanted something without spending too much money to brighten up the outside of the house, to make it look newer. We've been in this house for 18 years, so we had a nice new door put on the front and black on the outside to match the roof and look good against the red brick, and then white on the inside against the wood floors. And the side light is beautiful. The detailing in it, it's just beautiful. We decided to do one side light instead of the two that we had prior. We first saw an ad in a mailer, and at the same time, oddly enough, my sister saw the same ad because she knew we were looking to replace our front door, and so she tore out the same ad, and that was a coincidence. So I thought, okay, well, for sure, I'm going to call C&L Ward. When the salesperson came out, we just felt comfortable with them. We liked the offerings. Very friendly, again, no pressure, and that works well with my husband and I. So we just felt confident that he knew what he was doing, and we were going to get the product that we ordered, and we felt that he would also follow it through. Sometimes you can place an order for something and never hear from anyone again, and that wasn't the case. Very nice people, very neat, cleaned up after themselves, very courteous, very skilled, and also important, the neat job that they do, but also cleaning up and leaving the place better than when they came, with a brand new door, cladding, everything. And also we felt confident that if there was anything wrong, we could call back and they'd be there. We're not planning anything at this moment, but I would absolutely not hesitate to use C&L Ward or to recommend them for any future improvements, for sure.